Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix there is a billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. Ask the family member to organize to update their billing information, which means if you are using a family shared account on App Store, so if you find this kind of error, then how you gonna fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, the first thing you have to check is you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to your Wi-Fi, you have to check it is working properly. Moreover, you can also restart your connection. And after doing what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after going into settings you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of the transfer or reset iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and here you have to simply reset network settings, which means you have to reset your network connection so that any kind of error in network can be resolved. Moreover, you can also ask your family member to update your billing information because you are using a shared account. But if the problem is not there, what you can do, you can simply use a gift card in App Store, and you can simply purchase a gift card in App Store or redeem a gift card, and you can use that payment for the purchase on App Store. But if the problem is still there, the only solution is that you can simply update your payment method from your family shared account. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply go to your Apple ID, and after that you have to click on payment and shipping, and you have to update your payment method. And after updating your payment method, you can simply try again your purchase, and this time will not happen the error again. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.